And one last problem in Hartley Oscillator, they have given the capacitance value 500 picofarad and L1, L2 values are given 38 and 12 microfarad. They're asking you to find what is F0 and beta. F0 is straightforward. Use the formula for frequency of oscillation 1 by 2 pi root of LC. L1, L2. L1 is 38 micro. L2 is 12 micro. If you add 50 microhenry, capacitance value is 500 picofarad. So if you use the formula, you get approximately F0 is 1 megahertz. Beta, you know, it is L1 by L2. So L1 is 38 microhenry and L2 is 12 microhenry. So the beta value is 3.166. Okay, beta value is going to be the feedback factor. It is 3.166. So these are some of the problem samples which you can get in your end semester examination, either for 2 marks. These problems can come for 2 marks, 4 marks, or 8 marks. So depending on how many parameters are asked to compute in the question.